up, guys? Caruso here. Today we're going to be learning how to alley-oop backside 50-50 on the mini ramp. Now before you start learning this trick, you just want to make sure you can backside 50-50 grind. And backside 180 revert. Alright guys, so for the alley-oop backside 50-50 grind, first thing you're going to want to do is come up the ramp at a 45-degree angle. Now the next thing you're going to want to focus on is learning how to slide your wheels on the ramp. So you could do this by just practicing backside reverts on flat ground, or you could practice like working your way up the ramp. And if this feels a little weird to you, you can work on coming up the ramp at a smaller angle, because the bigger the angle you come at, the bigger the power slide and the longer you'll be able to grind. So I recommend when you first start, coming up at a small angle, doing a shorter grind, and it's a little bit less of a slide. Okay, so as you get up to the coping, the main thing you want to remember when you're coming up is to aim for these wheels to lock in, right? Because when you backside 50-50, the best way to do it is to lock in on these wheels on your heel side, and that kind of keeps it like in position. And if you end up locking in with your whole truck on, it's not the worst thing, but it's not a great habit to form, because when you go to come back in, it can set you up to hang up. So I recommend definitely just trying to aim these wheels like this right on the heel side. So just remember, as you're coming up, you really gotta whip those shoulders around, because wherever your shoulders go in skateboarding, your board usually follows. So really whip those shoulders around, and then once you're coming around and you feel that truck start to hit the coping, you're just gonna let the weight off of your back foot and just stand up straight. And honestly, the board just ends up turning like perfectly into the 50-50 position without even trying. So there's two main ways you're gonna fall when you're doing this trick. One is you're gonna undershoot the coping, right? And you're gonna put your weight down and your truck's not gonna be up there. And then you're just gonna kind of slide down the ramp like a slide. And then the other way is you're gonna overshoot it, in which case sometimes you'll like ride on top of the ramp, or maybe if you're really overshoot it, you can kind of slip out and like put your hands out or have your like stomach on the coping. But for the most part, this is a pretty safe trick to try. And like I said earlier, the main part of this trick is learning how to slide your wheels on the ramp. If you're having trouble with this, you just gotta think about it like you're getting light-footed. You know, you're not ollieing, you're just kind of doing a little bit of a hop and like just sliding your wheels on the ground. And something that helps me do that is hanging my toe off the side of the board, like off the edge of the tail. And that kind of gives me almost a little bit of a grip to help me kind of swipe it across the ramp. And that's it. Once you feel comfortable grinding it, just do that little bit of a kick turn and make sure you're leaning forward. And once you get that trick down, you can try to learn some variations. Alright guys, that's it for this week's trick tip. If you'd like a chance to win a set of wheels from my new company, Karma Wheel Co., also some stickers and one of the new shirts, all you got to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and then upload a video doing this trick to Instagram using the hashtag Trick of the Week. At the end of the week, I'm going to go through all the entries and then pick a winner who's going to win this package. And I'm going to try to do this every single week with a new trick and a new giveaway. So if you guys have any questions about the giveaway or about this trick, just leave them in the comments below. All right, I'll see you guys soon.